Just a quick video on the new Ryobi Inflator. Here's the box, just a quick unboxing. This is not a tool I would have thought I would ever buy, but I lost my air compressor airline and this was basically $20 more, so I went and bought this. Works really well. Here you can see with just sort of 4 amp hour battery. So I just grabbed this 4 amp hour battery out of the shed. I didn't charge it. It had 4 bars anyway. And so it got a little bit of noise. It's not too bad. You can see there it inflates the tyre. I mean, it's not as good as maybe an air compressor, but certainly handy to run around the house and you've got to go and grab an airline and a tyre thing and turn the compressor on. And this thing, you just throw the battery in and take it with you. You can do all your cars in one go. So great tool by Ryobi. As with always, they generally come out with the stuff before everyone else. It might not be the trade here that a lot of tradies are used to, but they do bring the tools out before the other, like Milwaukee, Makita, whatever. Most of my stuff's Makita now, but I still have a fair few Ryobi tools I use. And this is, I can't see me ever getting rid of this one anyway. Overall, 10 out of 10, really happy with it. Just giving you a look at the battery. You can see there it hasn't used hardly any battery. Thanks for watching. See you next time.